Welcome to another episode of Four-Dimensional Medicine, where we explore the powerful connection between our structural, biochemical, energetic, and spiritual health. Today, I'm diving into a fascinating topic: how to regenerate our cells using essential nutrients, practical lifestyle changes, and ancient Chinese medicine wisdom. Let's explore how you can unlock your body's regenerative potential. Cellular regeneration is a process by which our body repairs or replaces damaged cells. This ability diminishes with age, but we can actively support it. Free radicals, oxidative stress, and toxins are the primary culprits of cellular damage. Studies have shown that antioxidants like CoQ10, alpha-lipoic acid, and vitamin C and E neutralize free radicals, so does the hydrogen molecular therapy. Protecting our cells. For example, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted that diet high in antioxidants reduce markers of oxidative stress by over 30%. In addition, omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation, which accelerates cellular aging. A groundbreaking study from Harvard Medical School found that individuals with higher omega-3 levels had longer telomeres, a marker of cellular longevity. Chinese medicine, on the other hand, views cellular health through the lens of qi, energy, or jing, the essence. Jing, often referred to as of vital essence, governs aging and regeneration. According to traditional practices, Jing is replenished through foods like goji berry, walnuts, sesame seeds, and seaweed. These foods are rich in antioxidants and trace minerals, aligning perfectly with modern nutritional science. Lifestyle practices such as Qigong and acupuncture also enhance cellular health by improving blood circulations and energy flow, ensuring cells receive adequate oxygen and nutrients to repair. For example, a study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that regular acupuncture sessions improved mitochondrial function in aging patients. Here are some practical tips for cellular regeneration you can start today. Number 1. Nutrient-dense diet. Incorporate foods like berries, leafy greens, fatty fish, and nuts. Add turmeric for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, supported by curcumin studies shown it promotes cellular repair. Try traditional Chinese recipes like chicken soup with goji berry and ginger, which nourishes qi and enhances immunity. Second, take some supplements. Vitamin C supports collagen production and immune function. N-acetylcysteine, NAC, boosts glutathione levels and the body masked antioxidant. In a clinical study, NAC improved energy level in patients with chronic illnesses. Selenium and zinc, vital for DNA repair and immune response. A study in Nutrients Journal showed zinc supplementation enhanced wound healing by 40% in elderly patients. Check out my Moody Easy formula. It has all the antioxidants we mentioned here and more. Number 3, mindfulness stress reduction practice. Practice meditation to reduce stress, which generates harmful cortisol that damages cells. Engage in Qigong or Tai Chi for holistic energy balancing. Here I'm sharing a couple of cases. A 45-year-old woman experiencing chronic fatigue and premature aging symptoms turned to a nutrient-rich diet, including berries, fatty fish, and NAC supplements. Within 3 months, her energy level improved by 50%. Her skin's elasticity visibly increased. Case number 2. A 60-year-old man with history of high oxidative stress adopted Chinese herbal tea and green tea and incorporated acupuncture sessions. His oxidative stress marker reduced by 35%, his joint pain significantly decreased. Energetic health connects deeply with cellular regeneration. Practices like acupuncture and qigong stimulates energy flow, enhancing the body's natural healing mechanisms. Spiritually, gratitude and purpose have been shown to positively influence cellular health by reducing stress and promoting hormonal balance. A study from Frontier in Psychology found that individuals who practiced gratitude journaling had lower inflammatory markers. By combining modern nutritional science and wisdom of ancient Chinese medicine and a holistic approach to lifestyle, you can empower your cells to regenerate and thrive. Try incorporating these tips into your daily routines and share your journey in the comments below. Let's work together to supercharge our bodies and transform our health one cell at a time. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay healthy, and stay connected to your 4 dimensions of wellness.